Hi everyone, I'm Arthur. Today I want to show you how to use Google Slides to create your online presentation. It's similar to PowerPoint, but you don't need to have any installation on your PC, and it's viewable in any browsers. Best of all, it offers rich sets of templates that you can start right away. Later, I will show you how to place slides, just like a presenter in PowerPoint. Okay, let's get started with our first Google Slides.
Okay, so after you sign into the Google service, go to the top menu, click on Slides, and you will be landing on this page. There are a lot of different templates that you can start using it. As you can see, it's a rich set of templates. It has case studies, projects, and for personal, such as photo, wedding, or portfolio that you can use. And for the education field, there's a lot of things that you can use is prepare lessons or create a student certificate. So there's a lot of different things that you can start right away with the template. So today I'm going to show you how to create a Google slide from scratch. So let's go ahead, click on the blank. So my goal is to create a sales proposal or introduction about our services. So it's a good example for the business owner or a company that you can start using Google Slide for your presentation. So let's get started. So the default will be having some kind of blank slide. So once I create a blank slide, I can go ahead and try to modify it. I recommended you to use one of those themes to get a consistent look and feel for your presentation. So I will choose this one, and then I can close it. And I think I would like to change the background and you can change the text color. And you can add a line. You can create a new slide by going to the insert menu and create new slide, or you can just right click on your mouse and the menu will come up and click on new slide. So far we have been moving the text and the insert. Okay, the steps are pretty straightforward by moving around the text box or the image when we try to insert, and that's pretty straightforward. And let's go ahead create another slide. This time we're going to upload an image that we prepared. So right now I'm trying to move this text in front of the image. So I will go up to just right click the mouse, and this menu will come up, and I will go on the order and bring the text to the front. So now the text is on the upper layer. And I'm going to show you that there are a lot of different things that we can insert. It's already pre-made section. let's try to find a timeline which fits our section where we talk about our story. We want to have a timeline indicating um, different work, the evolution of the company. So let's click on the insert from the top menu and go ahead and click on diagram, and it will bring us many types of different diagrams. And for this example, we are interested in inserting a timeline. So let's go ahead and click on this timeline category, and it will bring us the look, different styles of the timeline. And just choose the one that best fits you. So I will select this one. It's pretty simple, straightforward with the ear. Alright. Let's go ahead and move to another slide. Another slide called our specialties. So I will create another new slide, and okay, another thing that we can reorder the slide by just click on the slide and move to the slide into the desired position. So I'm going to move to the third position. Okay. And in Google Slides, it's easy to embed a video onto your presentation, and let's do that for the this slide. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. So this is a good way to showcase your product or services that you already upload in a YouTube platform or Vimeo or video platform. So you can just go ahead and click on the insert on the top, and let's select video. So you can, if it's from YouTube, you can just click on here. You can insert video by go ahead search from the YouTube, or if you have the URL with you, you can just click on the by URL and copy paste the URL and go ahead and select, click on the select button. And you can resize it. And finally, you probably want to create a thank you slide in your last slide for your presentation. So right now I want to show you how to insert a transition. So when you play or present your slide, it will show the transition between one slide to another slide. So go ahead and click on the second slide, and we can click on the transition, and currently there's none. So you can choose a style that you want to apply to your slide. And let's see, we can do a flip, and we can play it and to see the effect of it. So it looks okay, and you can go ahead and click on stop. Make sure you click on the stop so you can modify other things. And you can go one by one, or if you prefer to have a consistency, you can go ahead and click on apply to all slides. Okay. So once you have a slide transition, you will see there's an icon come appear on the left hand side. Okay, so once you finish your slides, you can click on the presenter button, and this is pretty neat that it will open up another window that I'm going to show you how to control it. Go ahead and click on the presenter.
So once you click on the presenter button, a pop-out window will come out, and that will be your main presentation. So there are a few options that you can do as a presenter. One is click on the pointer, and you will simulate a laser pointer that you can use when you are speaking to your audience. Another thing is that you can click on the Q&A section, and you will pop out another window. So you will pop out another window like this. That if you use two monitors to control it, and you can hide this window on another monitor and have a full control and view of what next slide will be. So you can see that I have a full view of what's before and what's the next slide. Or you have an option of just go directly to the slide. So you have a full control here if you have an option of two monitors that available to you. And another thing is that you have a option button where you can do more on this area. You can do an autoplay for your slides, or just looping it slide to slide, or download as PPTX in PowerPoint. Another neat thing about Google Slide is the ability to interact with your current audience. By using this tool, you can start let the audience give you some inputs or questions by giving them this URL that appear on the presenter view. So what they can do is they can ask questions. So the user can ask the question from their laptop or the mobile phone, as long as you have given them this URL. So this URL will be unique for every presentation. So you will be, it's pretty secure that you can just give this URL to your audience. So once one of the audience enter a question, you will see the question immediately. So you can see a list and choose which one you want to respond. So once you already respond, you can hide. So I think this feature is pretty invaluable for you have a large audience that you want to get their feedback or question immediately without passing the microphone back and forth in the hallway. So this is pretty neat, and I don't see other software or program that offer these features for free. So okay, I think that's it. I hope the steps in the video are easy to follow. Using Google Slide is a time saver, and it looks professional as well. I hope it's useful for you. If the video helps you learn how to use Google Slide, please give the video a thumb up. If you like to see the video like this in the future, please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.